Hello childrens. After checking subtraction method, we will move to our next point, that is addition and subtraction together. Let's read. Follow these rules when addition and subtractions are given together. So first rule is arrange the numbers with plus sign together and minus sign together. Then first add, then subtract. So here example is given. So we will see it first. Example is what? Solve 8574 minus 4533 plus 1233. So we have to solve this example with the help of, we have seen the set of rules. In this rule, what it says, we have to arrange the plus sign number together. Which are the plus sign number here? 8574 plus 1233. So we have taken these numbers together, and then only one minus number is there, so minus 4533 we have separated it. So first we have to do the addition of this plus sign numbers, that is 8574 plus 1233. So we have arranged that numbers in the place value chart column, and then we have made the addition over here. So what is the answer of that addition? 9807. After that, with the help of this answer, first we will take this answer as our first number, and from that we will subtract this number, that is 4533. So first number is our difference, and then we will subtract the remaining number from that difference. So what is the answer we got after subtraction? 5274. This is our answer. So with the help of this process, we will solve the exercise 3.6. So in this, solve 1000. So let's start the exercise 3.6. First example is solve 1758 plus 6655 minus 2313. So first rule is to arrange the plus sign number together. Here plus sign numbers are already together, so no need to arrange it. So these numbers we will arrange first in the place value chart column. So first number is 1758. 8 is on ones place, so 8 is on ones. Then 5 is on tens, so 5 is on tens. Then 7 is on 100. 1 is on 1000. Next is 6655. So 5 is on again ones place. Then 5 is on tens. 6 is on 100. And again 6 is on 1000. So first we will make the addition of these numbers. How we will do addition? First number you have to keep in your mind, and second number is on your fingers. You have to count after 8 up, and you have to count after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 answer you got. So how will you write 13? 3 is on answer place, and 1 you will give carry over to the next number. Next, 5 plus 5. 5 is in your mind, 5 is in your finger. So 5 plus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1 carry over, 11. 11, how will you write? 1 is on the answer place, and 1 you will give carry over to the next number. Now 7 plus 6. First number is in your mind and second is on your finger. So count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1 carry over, 14. 14, you will write 4 on the answer place, and 1 carry over to the next number. Now 1 plus 6, how many? 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So what answer you got over here? 8413 is your answer. Now you will take this answer as a first number for the subtraction over here. So you will take answer first. So write down the answer, what? 8413. Now subtract. So subtraction sign is already there. Next is 2313. So 3 is on ones place, so you will write 3 is on ones. 1 is on tens. Then 3 is on 100. And 2 is on 1000. So let's subtract it starting from the ones place. 3 minus 3. If same number is there, subtraction will be 0. So you got here 0. 1 minus 1 again 0. 4 minus 3, you have to count after 3 up to 4. So 4, that is 1. So you will write over here 1. Then 8 minus 2. First number is bigger than second number. Yes, so subtraction will be possible. Count after 2 up to 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 6. So you will write over here 6. So what answer you got over here? 6100. Okay. This way you will solve. Next sum is what? Next is solve 4789 minus 2001 plus 3379. So what we have to do first? We have to arrange the plus sign number together. Which is the plus sign number over here? Plus sign is to the last number. So we will take first number and last number together. So we will write first number and last number in the plus sign table. So arrange it in the place value chart column. 9 is on ones place, so 9 is on ones. Then 8 is on 10, so 8. Then 7. Then 4 is on 1000. Next is 9 is on again ones. Then 7 is on tens. Then 3 is on 100 and 3 is on 1000. Then we will make the addition of this. So 9 plus 9, you have to count 9 after 9. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So your answer is 18 over here. 18 plus carry over 1 to the next. 8 plus 7. So you have to count 7 after 8. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16, you will write 6 on the answer place and 1 you will give carry over to the next. Then 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, carry 1, 11. 11, how you will write? Like this. Then 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, carry over 1 is 8. See what answer you got over here? 8168 is your answer. And first you will take this answer as your first number over here. So 8168 is your first number, and the second number is what? Minus number. Which is the minus number, remaining number over here? This number. So you will take this number for the subtraction. So minus sign is already there. And which number is that? 2001. So arrange it in the place value chart column. 1 is on ones place, 0 is on tens, again 0 is on tens, and 2 is on 1000. Right? And you will do the subtraction. Now 8 minus 1. How many? 8 minus 1. If 1 is subtracted from any number, we will get predecessor of the number, of predecessor or the before number. So before number of 8 is 7. 6 minus 0. Any number is subtracted from 0, answer will be the same number. So 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 6. So 6167 is your answer over here. Like this we have to do. So I hope you can do this sum. Third one, this numbers you have to arrange in the, you have to arrange this first number in the place value chart column. First you will find the plus numbers, means plus sign numbers. That is first number and last number you will take for the first, for the plus column, and then you will take answer as the first number, and then you will subtract that number from the answer. Now next is subtract the sum of 1306 and 5919 from 9000. So we have to perform the subtraction. Subtraction of what? Sum of 1306 and 5919. So first we have to find the sum of these two numbers. So first we will perform the sum over here. What is the first number over here? 1306. So 6 is on ones, 0 is on tens, 3 is on 100 and 1 is on 1000. Next number is what? 5919. So 9 is on 10, ones, 1 is on tens, 9 is on 100, and 5 is on 1000. So first we will find the sum of this. So 6 plus 9, how many? Count after 6 up to 9 fingers. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what answer you got over here? 15. So you will write over here 15. So 5 and carry over 1 to the next. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 3 plus 9. Count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how will you write 12 to at the answer place, and you will give 1 to the carry over to the next. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is what? 7225. Now this sum, this is the sum of these two numbers, that is this answer. You have to subtract from 9000. So 9000 you will write over here 0, 0, 0 and 9. From 9000 we have to subtract this number. So 5 is on ones, 2 is on tens, 2 is on 100, and 7 is on 1000. So this way we have arranged these numbers in the place value chart column, and we can subtract it. So 0 minus 5 possible? No. So what we will do? We will take borrow from next number. So next is again 0. If nothing is there, how can it give us anything? So again we will go to the next. Again 0 is there. So again we will go to the next. Next is 9. It can give us 1, right? So we will take 1 from it. How many remain? If 1 we will take, 8 will be remain, right? Then if 1, this 9 if give us 1, then how many, which number will be there? 10. So here will be 10. Now 10 give us 1. Yes. So 10 if 10 give us 1, how many will remain over here? 9. And here will be again 10. Now this 10 give us 1 to this. Yes. So how many will remain over here? 9. And here will be again 10. So 10 minus 5 possible. Count after small number to big number. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many? 5. So you will write over here 5. So 9 minus 2, first number is bigger than second, subtraction will be possible. Count after 2 up to 9. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry. After 2, how will you do? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 you have to count only. So 9. How many numbers will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 you will write over here. Then 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 again will be 7. Then 8 minus 7, 8. That is 1 only. So what answer you got over here? 1775 is your answer. This way we have to do. So in this, what we have done first over here, we have to find the sum of these two numbers, and then the sum of that answer of that number we have subtracted from the 9000. Same you have to do over here. Find the sum of 4403 and 3400. These numbers you have to do the addition over here. These two numbers sum you will find out. Then and subtract 4500 from the answer. So you will find the sum of these numbers, and from this number you will write first answer over here, and then you will subtract this 4500 from that answer. Understand? So this sum you will try to solve.